Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Azure CLI logged in, a Fabric or Forge server that matches the Cobblemon build, and the mod files uploaded to an Azure storage container. Once done, create a resource group and a small VM or app service to host the server. Choose a region near players to reduce latency. Make sure to open TCP port 25565 and grant the VM identity permission to read the storage container so the server can pull mods automatically. Next, you deploy the Cobblemon jar onto the server. Use as VM run command or a startup script to curl the jar from the storage container into the server's mods directory, then set permissions and ownership. Once the jar is in place, restart the Minecraft service and monitor logs to confirm the mod initialized. Make sure to adjust memory xmx/xms in the launch script for performance and enable a managed identity or short-lived SAS token so future automated updates can pull new mod builds securely. Finally, verify the mod in-game by checking the mods list and testing a spawn command. If you see Cobblemon entries, you are live. Once stable, create an Azure DevOps pipeline or an Azure function to deploy new mod builds automatically. Include integrity checks and backup worlds before updates. If something breaks, immediately inspect Fabric/Forge logs, the Minecraft server log, and Azure Storage Access logs. Most issues are missing dependencies or permission errors. Then roll back to the last working jar and iterate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.